Hey guys, it's Kevin here at the school garden where I spend a lot of my time. I've got a little project here on this Sunday to do, some regular garden maintenance and upkeep, and gotta replant some tomato seedlings. So I don't have a lot of real estate in the garden beds. I've planted some cherry tomatoes in these two beds, some okra in the back, but I've got these pots where my gardening club, planted a whole bunch of tomato seedlings in these pots, and there's just too many of these growing in little pots, and they're starting to die. So I need to try to rescue at least a few of the stronger ones and put them in the individual pots, make them more viable, get them stronger, and then figure out what to do with them after that. So it's impressive. Some of them are just beautiful and coming along really nicely, some of these tomato seedlings, but some aren't. Like, I can't figure out what's going on with, like, I planted a few here, and like, they're just at this part of the garden bed, they're not taking. This garden bed seems to be doing a bit better. They're mostly doing fine here, just in the front. So I've got to sort that out. Yeah, so we're gonna plant these in here today. Maybe harvest a little bit of the Italian basil. A lot was harvested last week. That's a giant Italian basil patch. I'm having so much luck growing Italian basil. More Italian basil. We got the Thai basil right here in the front for the kitchen. We've got some sunflowers back here and here for pollinators. Our little pollinator garden sign here, a project we did with another school. Got some rosemary here that's just getting too much water, but it keeps raining and raining and raining. So these are some projects to do today here at the school garden, again, where I spend most of my time. Yeah. This summer during the holiday, we're staying here in Penang, Malaysia. So one of the projects I plan on doing actually is I'm going to be writing a book about starting a school kitchen garden, gardening in schools, gardening with students, about sustainability, connecting your colleagues, teachers, children with growing food, where food comes from, farm to table action. We've got a cooking class, an outdoor cooking class from here, and they use a lot of the stuff that I've been growing here with my students in that class. And our school cafeteria is going to be using, for example, this Thai basil is all for them. I'm going to be growing bok choy over here for them and doing some other things. So I'm going to be writing a book about that this summer, about how teachers, kind of like a basics how-to, because I realize most people actually don't really know anything about gardening. I take it for granted that I do. So I'm hoping that book will be able to connect educators around the world a little bit more with it, and kind of demystify things, make it more accessible, less frightening, and to know that we can all have a green thumb. It's possible. Absolutely. All right, guys. Bye.